Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to explore the purpose and scope of ISO 19011, a crucial standard that provides guidance on auditing management systems. Understanding ISO 19011 is essential for anyone involved in auditing processes within an organization. Let's dive in. ISO 19011 is an international standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization. Its primary focus is on providing guidance for auditing management systems, regardless of the type or size of the organization. This standard outlines principles and practices for conducting effective and efficient audits. Purpose of ISO 19011. The purpose of ISO 19011 is multifaceted. Promoting confidence. ISO 19011 promotes confidence in audits by establishing globally recognized principles and practices that ensure consistency, impartiality, and competence in auditing processes. Enhancing credibility. By adhering to ISO 19011 guidelines, organizations can enhance the credibility of their audit processes, both internally and externally. This credibility is crucial for stakeholders, including customers, regulators, and partners. Facilitating improvement. ISO 19011 helps organizations identify opportunities for improvement by providing a systematic approach to audit planning, execution, and reporting. Through effective auditing, organizations can pinpoint strengths and weaknesses in their management systems and take corrective actions accordingly. Supporting risk management. Auditing is an essential tool for assessing risks within an organization's processes and systems. ISO 19011 assists auditors in identifying and evaluating risks effectively, enabling organizations to mitigate potential threats and capitalize on opportunities. Ensuring compliance. Compliance with ISO 19011 ensures that audits are conducted in accordance with internationally recognized best practices, legal requirements, and industry standards. This alignment helps organizations demonstrate their commitment to quality, safety, and environmental responsibility. Scope of ISO 19011. The scope of ISO 19011 encompasses various aspects of auditing, including management system audits. ISO 19011 provides guidance for auditing various management system standards such as ISO 9011 Quality Management, ISO 14001 Environmental Management, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety, among others. Internal and external audits. Whether conducted internally by organizations or externally by third-party auditors, ISO 19011 applies to all types of audits aimed at evaluating management systems, conformity, and effectiveness. Auditor competence. ISO 19011 outlines the competencies and attributes required for auditors to perform audits effectively, including technical knowledge, auditing skills, communication abilities, and ethical conduct. Audit process. The standard covers the entire audit process from audit planning and preparation to audit execution, reporting, and follow-up activities. It emphasizes the importance of systematic and structured approaches to auditing to achieve meaningful results. In conclusion, ISO 19011 serves as a cornerstone for auditing practices worldwide, providing valuable guidance for organizations seeking to assess and improve their management systems. By understanding its purpose and scope, auditors can conduct audits with confidence, integrity, and effectiveness. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.